Hi guys, this time Bio-Terian presents Cell Division Part 3. In this video, we are going to talk about the different parts or different subphases of interphase. Now let me tell you first what is interphase. This phase is also known as growth period, interphase or preparatory phase. This phase is the largest phase or the most time consuming phase of cell cycle. Why is it so? Because in this phase an entire cell gets doubled up. That means it gets big enough, it gets multiplied its cell organelles like mitochondria, like chloroplast in case of plant cells, it duplicates its chromosomes and etc. etc. Now let me tell you in which way in this phase the cell is going to do these things. First, this interphase is divided into three subphases. First, G1 phase. This phase is also known as first growth phase. Next, S phase, that means synthesis phase. And the last is G2 phase or second growth phase. Now, in first growth phase or in G1 phase, an entire cell, it's doubled up its cytoplasm. That means all the cell organelles gets doubled up, like mitochondria in all case of cells, and in case of plant cell it is chloroplast, and other things like proteins, RNAs, these things are also get doubled up. After doing this entire thing in the first growth phase, the cell comes down to the second subphase of interphase, which is S phase. As I tell you, this phase is known as synthesis phase. This is this is one of the important phases because in this phase the DNA of the cell gets doubled up or duplicated and the chromosome gets doubled up. After doing this G1 and S phase, at the end it go down to the second growth phase. Over there more RNA, more protein, these are going to be synthesized. Now after this entire subphases is done, then what happens? The cell is done with the interphase and it completes the preparatory phase. That means the cell is now prepared for its next cell division. Without interphase, it never gets into the mitotic phase. That means the cell division part. So it is the important part, otherwise the cell is not getting matured, and if the cell is not getting matured, the cell is not undergoing the further cell division process. I think this video is helpful to you for your interphase kind of or the cell division part 3. Just like it, subscribe it and share it a lot to help your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.